What's up, YouTube? It's me, Chris, here at Wise Artwork. With me, as always, is my partner in crime, Ted. Basically, today, not going to be really an art video. This is just going to be one of my other, hobby videos. I don't know if some of you might know this, but basically a few months, actually, no, last year, I didn't have a vehicle or anything like that, and so, once I started work, I needed something to get to work other than just a regular bike. So, as I was still looking for another vehicle and all that kind of stuff, I ended up building one of these. It's just a motorized bicycle. I got the bike at Walmart and then just got this kit, and then I've just been adding stuff to it as I go. But I ended up having so much fun building it that I ended up building a second one. There's that there. This one's a lot cooler. I like the fact that the gas tank's built in like a real freaking motorcycle and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, I know my spark plug's not hooked up because I actually wanted to do some work on this head. At some point I want to swap it from that one onto this one and put that one on the other one. This one looks cooler, but the other one's bigger, so basically it will actually keep the engine cool longer. I ride this one more often. This one I actually rode for several months to work. Fuel efficiency on this thing is amazing. Oh my god. Like, literally, this is like not even a whole gallon tank. This is like a half-gallon tank.
this love to survive. Now when I look in your eyes, I feel paralyzed.
Okay, so I've made some adjustments to this bike. Basically, I got a brand new muffler on this that's much louder. Sounds like a real motorcycle now. I changed the carburetor out from the stock to the high performance, and so now I'm basically just gonna mess around with that a little bit, see if I can fine tune adjust it a little. Also, oh yeah, I also have an odometer and speedometer on here. I'm testing to see if that works correctly. So I'm just going to do a quick spin up the block and down. I'll record with the GoPro, and then I'll set the camera up on my porch to catch me coming in and taking off. But yeah, I need both hands to do this, so this is why I'm just going to use the GoPro with me. I'm not going to bring this camera with me, but I am going to set it up to watch me pull in. So, wish me luck. No fuel leaks, that's good. Come on, you. What's not running? Cool. It works. Let's try that again. success. That actually worked pretty well. Definitely needs some more adjustment on the carburetor, but she's running good and it sounds awesome. So